Ever pondered the question, what if we could power the world with just water? Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of hydrogen fuel cells, a technology that's been making waves in the energy sector and might just have the answer to that question. Picture this, a world where cars run on water, where factories hum along, powered not by coal or oil, but by the most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with hydrogen fuel cells, this could become a reality. Hydrogen fuel cells, in the simplest terms, are like batteries. But unlike traditional batteries that run down and need recharging, fuel cells keep producing electricity as long as there's a supply of fuel. Hydrogen in this case. So how do these remarkable devices work? It all comes down to a little bit of chemistry. Inside a fuel cell, hydrogen and oxygen combine in a controlled reaction that produces electricity, heat, and water. Yes, you heard right. The only byproduct of this process is water, making hydrogen fuel cells a potentially game-changing solution in the fight against climate change. But how do we get this hydrogen fuel? Here's where it gets tricky. While hydrogen is plentiful, it doesn't exist on its own in nature. We usually find it combined with other elements like oxygen and water. To extract hydrogen from water, we use a process called electrolysis, where electricity is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Now, you might be thinking, if we need electricity to make hydrogen, aren't we back where we started? Not necessarily. If we use renewable energy sources like wind or solar power for electrolysis, we can produce hydrogen without contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. But like all technologies, hydrogen fuel cells come with challenges. For one, storing and transporting hydrogen safely and efficiently is difficult. Hydrogen is extremely flammable and has a low energy density, meaning it takes up a lot of space for the amount of energy it provides. These hurdles are significant, but scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to find solutions. So, what have we learned about hydrogen fuel cells? They're devices that convert hydrogen and oxygen into electricity, heat, and water, offering a potentially renewable and clean source of energy. However, they also pose challenges in terms of hydrogen production, storage, and transportation. In the grand scheme of things, hydrogen fuel cells represent a promising step towards a sustainable future. They're not a silver bullet solution to our energy and climate woes, but they offer a tantalizing glimpse of a world powered by water. And who knows, with continued research and innovation, that world might not be as far off as it seems.